feel like this is always very welcome in late winter when outside is still quite bleak, it's rainy, it's cold, and the gardens are still sleepy. There's some early bulbs coming up. You kind of feel eager to have some color, something exciting for spring, and the Orchid Festival arrives and it's just this burst of colors there, and it really makes the difference.
There's lots of like orchid nuts, if I can call them that come specifically to Kew to sort of see the collection, because we have some really special endangered species. And I think that is the joy of the festival as well. So there is the big blousy displays for people to enjoy, but there's also the slightly niche, sort of delicate little orchids that are rare and really have to be admired up close.